Welcome to Freedom Review. Here I rank the top 5 products you can trust. We've all had those nights where dinner takes forever, the kitchen heats up, and tough cuts still come out dry instead of fall off the bone tender. We try to save time with random gadgets, but most either cook unevenly or feel too complicated to actually use. The Real Fix is a reliable pressure cooker with smart safety, proper materials, and enough versatility to replace several pots at once. So we tested and ranked the best pressure cookers to help you choose the right one. Starting at number 5, we have T-fal Clipso pressure cooker, a great option for home cooks who want classic stovetop pressure power with modern safety and ease of use. The first impression is that it feels solid and professional, with a brushed stainless steel body and a surprisingly light lid that opens with one hand. It looks and behaves like a serious pot, but it's not intimidating to learn. The main pain point this solves is slow cooking times on the stovetop. Compared to the electric options higher on this list, the T-fal Clipso doesn't have built-in programs or display, but it heats up and cools down faster because it's directly on the burner. That makes it better for people who like hands-on cooking and want more control over flame and timing. It's also simpler mechanically, with fewer electronic parts that can fail over time. The trade-offs are that you need to learn basic pressure cooking timing yourself, and there's no keep warm or set and forget timers like on electric models. But if you want a durable stainless steel stovetop pressure cooker that's induction compatible, easy to open, and much safer than old school designs, the T-fal Clipso is a great, budget-friendly starting point. Starting at number 4, we have the classic Instant Pot electric pressure cooker, like the well-known Duo series, a great option for busy households that want a single countertop appliance to handle everyday meals. First impression, it looks like the default, modern pressure cooker, with a stainless body, black lid, and a big front panel full of clearly labeled preset buttons. It feels approachable even if you've never pressure cooked before. Versus the higher-end Instant Pot Pro at number 2, the classic models have fewer specialized programs and slightly less refined controls, but they're often cheaper and more than enough for most home cooks. The trade-offs are that pressure buildup and release are slower than stovetop, and the preset buttons can feel overwhelming at first. Still, if you want an affordable, proven electric pressure cooker that's already a staple in many kitchens and can replace several small appliances in one shot, the standard Instant Pot electric pressure cooker is a rock-solid choice. Starting at number 3, we have the COSORI pressure cooker, a great option for home cooks who want a versatile, feature-packed multi-cooker with a user-friendly design. The first impression is that it looks modern and substantial, with a clean stainless exterior and a clear digital control panel that feels more polished than many budget models. It immediately gives the sense of being designed for everyday, multi-meal use. The core benefit is how it tackles the "I have too many gadgets" problem. Versus the Instant Pot Pro at number 2, it's slightly less intense on the pro-level feature side but often comes in at a friendlier price and still covers most core functions. The trade-offs include the non-stick inner pot, which some people prefer to avoid in favor of stainless steel, and a learning curve if you've never used a multi-cooker with this many modes. But if you want a modern, safety-focused pressure cooker that can handle everything from weeknight stews to yogurt and sous vide, the COSORI pressure cooker is a very compelling mid to upper-tier choice. Starting at number 2, we have the Instant Pot 10-in-1 pressure cooker, specifically the Instant Pot Pro, a great option for serious home cooks who want pro-level control in a familiar Instant Pot format. The first impression is that it looks more premium than the standard models, with a larger LCD display, refined knob controls, and a sturdier overall build. It immediately feels like the step-up version for people who already love pressure cooking. This is where it really stands out: design upgrades aimed at daily users. The inner pot has easy grip handles so it's safer to lift out, there's an auto-sealing lid, and the steam release is gentler and quieter thanks to a diffusing cover. The trade-offs are that it costs more than entry-level models and may feel like overkill if you only pressure cook occasionally. But if you want one of the most capable electric pressure cookers on the market with serious versatility and thoughtful usability upgrades, the Instant Pot 10-in-1 Pro absolutely earns its place near the top of this list. Starting at number 1, we have the Buffalo pressure cooker, a great option for people who prioritize durability, capacity, and clean materials, whether for home batch cooking or small commercial use. The first impression is that it looks like a serious, heavy-duty pot, with thick 304 stainless steel and a wide, stable base. It feels more like professional cookware than a typical home gadget. This is where it really stands out: safety and longevity. Buffalo emphasizes multiple safety devices. Some commercial versions list 5 safety systems, combined with certifications like SG Mark and CNS on certain models. The trade-offs are that it's heavier, more expensive than basic home cookers, and fully manual. You control heat and timing yourself. But if you want a long-term, stainless steel pressure cooker that's built to handle serious cooking, from big family batches to small restaurant use, the Buffalo pressure cooker is the powerhouse that deserves the #1 spot. No matter which one you choose, the best pressure cooker really depends on how you cook, how much you cook, and how hands-on you want to be. Stovetop options like T-fal and Buffalo favor control and longevity, while electric multi-cookers from Instant Pot and COSORI focus on automation and versatility. We've included links in the description so you can check specs, capacities, and current pricing to match the right model to your kitchen. Which style of pressure cooker fits your cooking routine best right now?